Hi guys, my name is Alexis. Today I'm on the Missouri State University campus and I'll be asking some students a couple questions. Today I'm here with
Sydney.
Jordan.
and I'll be asking you guys a couple questions. What is the most interesting moment in history to you?
I would say probably the women's suffrage movement and how women were fighting against their rights and gender equality rights against men and how they fought for opportunities to get equal jobs, work in different workplaces. And yeah.
Love it.
And then why should history be important to others?
History should be important to others so that we can understand what happened with our ancestors and their importance, and we cannot repeat their mistakes.
All right. Today I'm here with
Brianna. Selena.
All right. What is the most interesting moment in history?
I think slavery is the most interesting moment. Oh, because the country was without slavery, we wouldn't have most things in this country. I think the country was built on the back of slaves.
All right. Thank you. And why should history be important to others?
Honestly, I feel like history should be important to others because without knowing our ancestors' sacrifices, we wouldn't be here now. And history might just repeat itself.
All right. Thank you. Thank you, guys. Today I'm here with
Isabel.
All right. I'll be asking her a few questions. In your opinion, what is the most interesting moment in history?
I'm really fascinated by the Salem witch trials.
All right. And then why should history be important to others?
I think it's important because it's a great way to learn from our mistakes to make sure that we never make those same mistakes again.
All right. Thank you. To love a country as to love a person is to love a flawed and exquisite creation. To see what is best in it, to be angry when it's not what it could be, precisely because you have seen glimmers of its greatness. Pete Buttigieg.